This campaign, as you can see, is about Dell company. And for the first one, I'm going to focus on this eye design. And as you can see, that is the original ad, and the man with the logo of the company and the background of the text and all the description regarding this material. And now in the second image, and all those content is gone. And this ad, we are using a simple design that make it really simple for using. And then regarding the color, and we use the win light on those two, and also in this, and the color is the same in the computer photo, and also as you can see in the t-shirt, and we use the same color for make it more attractive. And the color is really good in the background. And thirdly, the typography, and those two images are the same, and they are really focused on and the color, the text, background, and that make this ad really simple. And the text is simple for that will catch the attraction of the reader and make them comfortable to choose those companies. And thirdly, let's talk about the consistencies. And this is the original ad, and this head is pointing up. That is mean it would like to show something. In the second image, you see how he talk about, and they use a lot of things, the logo of the company, a lot of images that make this ad really simple and really attractive for the readers. So thank you so much for talking and reviewing my ads. Thank you.